In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI model video in Lovart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea and a single image into a polished AI-generated model video using Lovart's Seedance 2.0 tool. First, open Lovart in your web browser. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser on desktop and make sure your internet connection is stable. Once the site loads, you'll be on Lovart's homepage, which is the starting point for all of their creative tools. Next, look for Seedance 2.0 and click it. This is Lovart's video generation workspace designed to animate subjects from a text prompt and, optionally, a reference image. When you enter Seedance 2.0, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a prompt field, a small plus icon for attachments, and a button to submit your request. Now, type your prompt. Be specific so the model understands exactly what to create. Describe the subject, the style, and the motion you want. For example, you might say, fashion model turning slightly to the left, soft studio lighting, subtle camera push-in, clean background, cinematic look. Adding details like lighting, mood, color tone, and camera movement helps the model generate a result that matches your vision. Keep sentences clear and focused and avoid conflicting instructions. Then click the plus icon. This opens the attachment options so you can supply a visual reference that guides the look of your video. Choose Upload File, select a high-quality image from your device that represents the face, outfit, or overall aesthetic you want the video to follow. Crisp, well-lit images work best. If you're featuring a person, pick a clear front-facing photo with minimal obstructions and consistent lighting. Make sure you have the rights and permission to use the image, and avoid low-resolution or heavily compressed files as they can reduce output fidelity. After selecting the image, confirm that it's attached alongside your prompt. Finally, click Submit to generate the video. Lovart will process your prompt and reference image, which can take a short moment depending on complexity and server load. You'll see a progress indicator while the system builds the animation. When it's done, preview the result. If the motion isn't quite right or the style needs refinement, adjust your prompt wording and run it again until you're satisfied. Small changes, like clarifying the lighting, tightening the motion description, or simplifying the background, often produce noticeable improvements. That's it. You've just created an AI model video in Lovart using Seedance 2.0, a prompt, and a single reference image.